Hi everyone, I hope you've had a super week. I've been thinking of you and I've missed seeing all your smiling faces. I'm really looking forward to seeing some great work in the gallery and giving out some certificates.
Let's begin our certificates this week in reception with Wharton. In Wharton A, Lily has been working really hard in maths. Lily, you've been doing some brilliant shape work this week. And Dylan, you've been very interested in your learning, coming up with lots of brilliant questions about our new topic. On to Key Stage 1 now, Years 1 and 2. In Coniger, Kiana has been super resilient in her maths. Kiana, you've been persevering with your work. Well done. Layla, your certificate is for your incredible kindness and sense of responsibility. You are such a good role model for everyone around you and model our school values perfectly. Iris, your certificate is for being thoughtful and caring with your friends. Given our assembly on Monday about kindness, that's really great to hear. Ralphie, you have been doing some fantastic reasoning in maths. Let's move on to Key Stage 2 now. Jacob, your certificate is for being very resilient in maths this week and working more independently. You've really impressed your teachers with your multiplication and division knowledge. Next up, we have Hallie and Hira, who have been doing some super storytelling. Girls, you've been using actions when reciting the new text map. I can't wait to see it. On to Year 4 now. Samia, Devon, and Noah. You three have set a wonderful example in your attitude taking part in the School Times Tables Rockstars competition, as well as supporting others in the class and encouraging them to take part. Fantastic to hear. And from Egerton B, Mabley, you are a super role model in your behaviour, consistently showing our school values, but also going above and beyond with your writing at home and at school. And what an amazing week you've had, Jack. You've been showing kindness in the classroom. You are always polite to adults and children around you. Let's have a look at Years 5 and 6. In Colmers A, Jack and Ava have been super creative. You've shown great interest in the project about space and found out lots of interesting facts, making fantastic leaflets about the moon. In Colmers B, Millie has shown amazing resilience with her learning. Millie, you've made big improvements with your handwriting and presentation this week. What a star. Maisie, you are here for your kindness. You are such a thoughtful and helpful member of the class. You always remember to carry out your classroom jobs. Thank you for helping keep our classroom and our school tidy and clean. In Langdon A, Millie is here for being a kind friend. Millie, you are kind, you are a respectful role model, a conscientious and determined worker, and a reflective learner. You always purple pen your work. What an all-round superstar. Grace, you are here for being brilliantly creative. Over the last few weeks, Grace has written her own stories at home after being inspired by the books that you've been reading in class. She brings them in to share with the class and everyone enjoys her creations. They are so imaginative, fun, humorous and thrilling. Everyone's been impressed by the plot twists and amazing language and phrases. We have our very own Langdon A author. And in Langdon B, Maddie, you are here for your incredible logo design featuring your own name, brilliant creativity and detail. And Annah, you continue to show resilience in all areas of school and also creativity with your logo in the topic work. I'd also like to give a special mention to Year 4 for the super standard of their maths books. Mr. Goff's been looking at them very closely in the last few weeks. Well done to all of you. Also well done to members of Langdon B who have achieved their 100 dojo certificates. I know how hard you have been working to earn those points. Brilliant stuff. We began our week thinking about one of my favourite stories, The Smartest Giant in Town. This book shows kindness, thought for others, and generosity. Have you been kind this week? Have you been thinking of other people? Have you made good choices, even when nobody was watching? Let's just take a moment to reflect on our week as we look at this photo of the beautiful place where we live.
One of the reasons we all look forward to coming to school is because we're united. There's that word from last week. In other words, we stand together to make BPS a positive and a cheerful place. It's a little safe world where we all look after each other. That's what we really, really want. I thank all of you for that. I'm really looking forward to seeing you on Monday. Have an excellent weekend. Take care.